Meet Sam. Sam just bought a car. He feels like a king. But behind that new car smell is an invisible backpack getting heavier every second. In the world of money, we call that weight a liability. Simply put, a liability is money you owe to someone else. It's a claim against your future self's paycheck. Technically, a liability is a legal obligation to settle a debt or transfer an asset. It's the minus sign on your net worth. If assets put money in your pocket, liabilities are the vacuum cleaners sucking money out. Not all liabilities are the same. You've got your current liabilities. These are the sprints. Think credit card bills, utility payments, or short-term loans you need to pay back within a year. Then, you've got long-term liabilities, the marathons. These are the big ones, like mortgages or 10-year business loans that you'll be chipping away at for a long time. Now, here's the plot twist. Liabilities aren't always the villain. For a business, taking on a liability, like a loan, can be a secret weapon. If Sam borrows 10,000 Rand to buy a machine that makes him 20,000 Rand, that debt just fueled his growth. That's called leverage. The trick is making sure the asset you buy grows faster than the interest on the debt. The real danger: toxic liabilities. These are high-interest debts that don't help you grow, like using a credit card for a vacation you can't afford. This is where the story turns into a horror movie, as interest compounds and the debt starts growing faster than you can pay it off. At the end of the day, your financial story is a balancing act. Your goal? Use smart liabilities to build massive assets, and cut the toxic ones before they weigh you down. Because whoever owns your debt owns a piece of your time. So, look at your bank account today. Is your story a tragedy of debt or a triumph of leverage? Let me know in the comments. What's one liability you're working to pay off this year? If this made accounting a little less boring, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to master your money. See you in the next one.